Hi guys, George here with Torque 307. Today we are working on a 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 four-wheel drive automatic diesel. It has the 5.9 Cummins, so this is the 48RE transmission. And right here is your transmission speed sensor. And if this thing starts to go out, or if it has been broken, or if it has a bad connection in here, you can start to experience some erratic shifting because the transmission isn't actually sure of how fast it's spinning. So it will typically throw a code for that, and this is the little guy you want to replace. You can pick one up at Napa. They're about 20 bucks. They're not a big deal. And this guy is either a 1-inch or a 25 millimeter deep socket. The easiest way to get to it is a nice long extension. I already went ahead and cleaned up around it so I wouldn't get any dirt inside the transmission when we did this. But it is an O-ring seal and it's plastic, so be sure you do use a 6-point, not a 12-point socket, and that was 1-inch or 25 millimeter. Shouldn't be too tight. There she is. And this is our new one. We're going to want to go ahead and just take a little bit of the tranny fluid off the old one and put it around this O-ring, just so everything slides together a little bit easier. Now I'm using a long extension with a short socket, so I'm not torquing this, and I'm sure you probably won't either, but about 20 foot-pounds would do the trick. But just tight enough to feel it make contact, and just a little bit more of a turn is all you need to give her. And take and make sure when you plug it in that you clip all the way back over your little knob, and it's all in good place. Well, thanks for watching, and hit me a like.